Currencies are supposed to be stable. Can you imagine if the American dollar was like Bitcoin and just shot to the moon, crashed, rocket ship to the moon again, crashed? If the American dollar had Bitcoin's price action, this world would be in chaos. Ooh, what's good on my stock market homies? It's your boy Kevin. In today's video, we got a banger for you guys. We're gonna be comparing cryptocurrency and stocks, and we're gonna be deciding which one is gonna be a better investment over the next few years. When I first started investing my money, I really didn't have an option. I didn't have enough money to go out and start investing in real estate, and there was really no cryptocurrency. So what did I do? I started investing in the stock market. That was about a decade ago. Now, today, people who are looking to start investing their money, they have multiple options. They could put their money in some crazy crypto altcoin. They can put it in the stock market. There's ways to invest in real estate now with limited funds. So in today's video, we're gonna compare investing in cryptocurrency versus the stock market. And I'm gonna offer my opinion on which one will perform better over the next few years. And I'll also offer a couple of picks, my top stock picks and my top crypto picks. Let's get it. All right, so this is how I am looking at investing in cryptocurrency and the stock market. I am a big Bitcoin bull. I think cryptocurrency is here to stay. NFTs are here to stay, and I think blockchain is here to stay. There are some very good cryptocurrency investments. We'll talk about those in just a second. And I think the stock market, there are also a lot of really good deals in the stock market right now. So this is how I'm looking at my own personal investing. I'm calling my portfolio my capital, the pie, right? And I break the pie down. That's called diversification. So I'm counting cryptocurrency as one slice of that pie, maybe 5% of my overall investment portfolio, which includes stocks, real estate, and now it is including cryptocurrency. I don't think it's a wise decision to go all in on cryptocurrency versus the stock market. And you might be thinking to yourself, well, Kevin, you just said you're a big cryptocurrency bull. You think there are a lot of good cryptocurrencies out there that have a possibility to sky and go to the moon. Yes, that is true, but there's also a lot of risk and a lot of danger that is associated with currencies are supposed to be stable. Can you imagine if the American dollar was like Bitcoin and just shot to the moon, crashed, rocket ship to the moon again, crashed? If the American dollar had Bitcoin's price action, this world would be in chaos. Can't go wrong putting your money in Bitcoin. Bitcoin is by far the biggest crypto holding that I have. My second biggest holding is Ethereum. Ethereum is a faster transactional currency versus Bitcoin, meaning if you want to go into a store and buy a pair of shoes with Bitcoin, it may take 10 minutes for that transaction to go through. Ethereum is more practical because it's faster from a transaction standpoint. That's why Ethereum comes in at number 2 on my list of top cryptocurrencies. All right, all these, Binance Coin, don't like it. Doge, I don't think it's good long term. XRP, not familiar with Tether. All of these are very, very speculative. I've heard some good things about Cardano, and I like SafeMoon as a speculative investment. All right, but however, Bitcoin and Ethereum are going to make up like 95% of the money that I have in cryptocurrency. There are a lot of BS phony cryptocurrencies coming to market now, so you guys got to be careful. Guys inventing these fake meme coins, these jokes, and people are actually buying them. It's getting out of control. You need to do your due diligence before investing in crypto because there are a lot of frauds, there are a lot of scams in the crypto space. That's one thing that's very different between the crypto space and the stock market right now. The stock market is regulated, super regulated by the SEC. Crypto is somewhat regulated, but it's not even close. I could go make my own coin and do my own ICO. Well, if you want to go public in the stock market, there's going to be a lot of eyes on your financials and that sort of thing. With crypto, a lot of times you have these guys coming out with these cryptos and it's really just a cash grab. So you got to do your due diligence. All right, let's talk about a couple of stocks that I like long term, and then I'll talk about a 10-year outlook. Do I think crypto or the stock market will outperform in the next 10 years? So the stock market is still very expensive. The S&P 500 is still up here near all-time highs. It's reclaimed a little bit of that move since the pullback. However, we're still very expensive though. There are a couple good deals out there. I like Hyliion a lot. It's my biggest holding. It's up nicely today. I have like a couple thousand shares with an average price of like $10.50. I think hybrid is a sleeper, and the trucking industry is going to use hybrid to get to total electric, making Hyliion a clear winner. Growth stocks in general are cheap right now. NEO, Palantir, Fubo are a few growth stocks that I like a lot that I think are trading at discounted price points. What is going to do better over the next couple of years? Let's call it a decade. Is it going to be cryptocurrency or is it going to be the stock market? I think Bitcoin has the potential to be trading at 200,000 per Bitcoin, but there are a lot of variables that go into that. Right now we're trading at 42. We've pulled back considerably, trading at 42,000. We've pulled back a lot. I think this is a buy the dip scenario in Bitcoin. However, I think most of these BS altcoins will go under and will go to zero, which could shine a bad light on the crypto market and cause a crash in Bitcoin and Ethereum. But Bitcoin and Ethereum, those are my two crypto holdings that I like and will hold long term. The altcoins, I am putting very, very little money into these altcoins. Stock market, Bitcoin will outperform the overall stock market over the next decade. Bitcoin and Ethereum. However, I think the stock market is 10 times safer than investing in crypto. There's more regulations, and history shows us that if we put our money in the stock market, we are going to get a 7 to 8% annual return over the long run. So it's almost guaranteed if you invest in the S&P 500 index fund, you will make money if you hold long enough. That's not true for crypto or Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin is theoretically going to go up in price as it becomes more in demand, and then it's going to stabilize. It's a currency. Currencies are supposed to be stable. Can you imagine if the American dollar was like Bitcoin and just shot to the moon, crashed, rocket ship to the moon again, crashed? If the American dollar had Bitcoin's price action, this world would be in chaos. However, we do need to remember, Bitcoin is a currency. These are cryptocurrencies, and eventually they should stabilize, making them not the best long-term investments. But I don't think we're there yet. And I think over the next few years, Bitcoin and Ethereum will outperform the overall stock market. That's going to wrap up the video. Just wanted to do a quick little fun video on comparing crypto and stocks. Get your 2 free stocks down below from Webull, valued up to $1,850, and you can now trade crypto on Webull as well. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Until next time, peace.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.